Just pulled up to the first one. I'm gonna set you guys up in the truck. It's lit up, so I'm gonna get you guys some shots of me weed eating, and hopefully I can get you guys some shots mowing. Stop raining. I'm gonna head to another one. That one was not bad at all. See you guys in the truck. At the second yard, I'm gonna set you guys up. See you guys in the front. Alright, I took care of this. I just wanted to knock it out. I'm about to run up here and grab this payment. This one's done. About to head over to the backyard and get the 36 out and mow that. These boots are holding up. What's up, YouTube? Heading to the last one before I go. I'm gonna stop by the parents' house and grab an old sandwich with a little snack with it because I'm starving. So if I don't see you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. That's a wrap on this rainy Tuesday. I will see you guys Wednesday morning. I'm gonna check out the weather when I get home, but today I got poured on and I'm so lucky I got this awesome rain jacket. It helps out a lot, and these boots are amazing. Carhartt boots are great. So I'm heading back to the shop and I'll see you guys Wednesday.